Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on the battery percentage on an Oppo phone. So this is one of the most searched settings for ColorOS users. So if you are trying to enable the Oppo battery percentage, make the battery number appear in the status bar or show the battery percentage on the home screen, this video will walk you through it step by step. By default, many Oppo phones don't show the exact battery percentage, you only see the battery icon. So to turn on the battery percentage on Oppo, the steps are almost same for all Oppo phones, whether you are using ColorOS 7, 11, 12, 13 or even 14 or the other versions as well. So first what you need to do is just go to the settings app. So let me just go to my settings app here. So in your settings app, you mainly need to scroll down till you find the battery option. So let me just search for the battery. So here you can see the battery. So just tap on the battery and look for an option called battery percentage. So here let me just show you. So in my device I cannot find the battery percentage option. So for newer devices you might find the battery percentage in the battery settings, and for my particular devices I will show you that how you can find it. So just go back and go to notification and status bar under your settings. So just tap on it, and here what you mainly need to do is just tap on status bar, and in your status bar here you can see multiple options. So here one of the option is called battery percentage, which is by default is selected to do not show. So just tap on it, and then here you can see you can select multiple options like outside battery icon. So let me just show you. If I just tap on it, so at the top here you can see, so it is showing the battery percentage outside the icon. You can also choose the inside the battery icon option as well, so whichever you prefer. All right, and then here you can also see the battery style. You can select the battery style. It is by default selected to horizontal. You can also select it to vertical, or you can also select it to loop or do not show, however you wish. So let's select for vertical for now. And that's how you can turn on the battery percentage on Oppo phones. So whether you are using ColorOS 11, 12, 13 or the latest ColorOS 14, this should help you easily view the Oppo battery percentage in the status bar and keep track of your power usage. So if this tutorial helped you, please like the video and comment below whether your battery percentage is now showing or not. And don't forget to subscribe to TechMesh for more Oppo tips, Android tricks and mobile settings tutorials. So thanks for watching. This is Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.